Okay, so I got cut off on my last video, but I just wanted to show you what the difference is between your operating income under absorption costing and variable costing. And so the difference here we can see our operating income under absorption costing was $542,333, and operating income under variable costing $421,000. So it was $121,333 higher under absorption costing, and that relates to the fixed costs that are in the units in finished goods. So we produced 75,000 units and we only sold 47,000. So the other 28,000 units are sitting in inventory. And the fixed costs that are being absorbed by those 28,000 units is the 28,000 times the $4.33 fixed manufacturing cost per unit. So that's the $121,333 difference. I just wanted to point that out.